Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your TOZO Crystal Pods. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And now it disconnected from the phone. After that remove it from the charging case. And it reconnecting to your phone. Check your earbuds, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. So firstly, we should turn off it, so press and hold on the both of touch areas for at least 5 seconds. And you can see on this LED light, if you will have a red one, it means that you turn off the earbuds. Here we go. Now release your finger and after that press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. So firstly it entered to pairing mode and after that it perform a hard reset. Here we go. Now release your finger. Firstly, we should remove the these earbuds from your phone, so click the information icon or settings icon at the device list. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now press and hold the both of touch areas to turn on your earbuds. Here we go. Now it entered to pairing mode automatically, and we can see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!